I'm a champion of African heritage and culture. I've found so many into eziphilisayo kwiculture yethu. I feel like the more siyizulisela okanye siyithalalisela singayihoyi, sivimba ilizwe ngenkcubeko inempilo ebebenoyifumana from the things that we originally are. So I decided then, let me become the original self and express that for the world, with the hope that actually people will start looking back to themselves actually and become who they are. I think that's what the world needs. I decided actually from the training I got, because I'm trained in classical music from Forte, I decided actually I'm going to use all these skills and express the Africanness or the African music that we are. And in that way, I'm trying to bring the healing that our ancestors used to have back to ourselves, you know. So I've put up this album, 16 songs. It's titled Sabela. Sabela, Heed. The EP first was titled Sipiwo Sam, meaning my gift. The following one says Sabela Uyabizwa. I never include whereby we can find direct communication with our ancestors and God. I think when sound is there, we can open that space that we all connect. It's important for me to connect spiritually. We have lost a lot of that in the life that we live today. I'm trying to bring it back with the music that I do. I want to take away the fact that when people talk about music, they think entertainment. Music is not entertainment. It can entertain you, but it's not entertainment. It's bigger than that. It has so many other qualities. It's evocative, it's healing qualities. You can dance, you can cry, it has to move you. That's what music is. Music is spirit of communication. Listen. Mm-hmm.